on your face first, baby, and pull around the back.
Well, you've got this. Okay, buddy? Okay, you got it.
Alright, go get it, buddy. I'm right on it. Go get it. Right there.
3, 2, 1.
Go get it. You're good.
You got this.
Here you go. You doing? No, it's not. Good job, bud.
Hey.
What? Go!
What we got?
Something big. Oh, bigger than.
Can I hold it? Hold the wheel in.
Lily, come fish this crab really quickly. Hey!
Real.
Lily!
Yeah,
Oh, it's the nurse shark. Here, let me hold this, Lily. Hold that. Hold
Daddy,
that.
I can. Oh,
Oh,
Daddy.
Alright.
Daddy, hold on.
I got.
Barracuda!
put it back down.
Barracuda! Alexis and Grace! Alexis and Grace!
We caught the cuda, Scott.
Alexis and Grace!
Well, he just ate our lane
Look
snapper.
for Alexis and Grace!
Okay, I just. Oh. Sorry. Oh, let it back in.
Oh. I had something.
Here, let me see that thing.
No, wait.
Hang on tight, Lily. Nothing, Pete?
Mommy, I'm getting
Up and down, it's really good. Really good. He might be a keeper.
That's a keeper.
I don't know.
That's a keeper.
Where's the measuring stick? Reel!
Real.
Come this way. Walk this way because of the trees. Reel!
Yeah!
Slow down. Oh, a lane.
Wait.
Reel it.
We're getting something.
Go, Phoebe, go. Oh.
I'm like,
Oh. I yanked him out of the bushes. Oh, that's a. Oh, what is that? A grunt? Oh. Alright.
Mama, one shark's under our boat. Daddy,
Alright, you get ready.
Can I go?
Get ready.
Stop you one.
Will, do you want me to put it in this good spot, baby?
Alright, it's going in there. Don't worry.
That's a good spot. Go, Phoebe, go. Aww, baby mangrove? No, another one of these jams.
Lily always gets me. Grunt. Hold on to the rod.
Bye.